If you could be a superhero, who would it be and why?
My kids and I go over this stuff. I tell my kids, would you be quiet already? I'm tired of talking about this. What would I be? What would I be? It's hard, really, if you think about it, because there's so many different things you could do. I would choose the power of time, where I could bend and travel in time, because believe it or not, we live in that existence anyway. Because time is an illusion, but because we're human, we can't fully understand that. But I would choose time.
So Mr. Manhattan.
Yeah, to be able to go past, forward, wherever. Time travel, regardless of past or forward or present. That's what I would choose as a power. And to use that to observe and learn and be an influence in some way. I would choose that.